Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 2 stars. In this additional of the Saturday newspaper, the yesterday's newspaper, August the 6th, 2022. And today it's actually Sunday, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. But first, let me continue with the 2 stars Sudoku. This will be number 4976. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. For 2 stars, by the way, for the 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. Last column, 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this big square, so no 7 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. In the last column, for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this big square, so no 7 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. No, the 8. 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this first row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 box left in the middle column for the number 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Yeah. Then. How about 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 3, 3. Come on. 6, 6, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 1. 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes, so one box left for the 8 should be there. One, 2, 2, and 8. Come on. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, no, need 2 places left for the 7, should be here or there. You see here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this row should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Alright, 5, 5, 8, 5, 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there in this big square, here or there. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4, 5, 9, 7. Then 4, 4, 3, 1, 8, 1, 8, 6. Yeah. 186. Let me see the 9. The 9, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 3, 3. 4, 4. I'm thinking. 1 and 2. No. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are not used. Missing here the 1. A 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Again, and all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then the 3 in the third column, the 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 6. Now we have a 2 there in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes exactly. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, 8 tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.